how the hell am I gonna see out of it?
Yo, look how Rome's setting himself up, man. He's not gonna get wet today.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Gotta get the bra on. Yeah, we did.
What is up, guys? We are in Colorado Springs, out here for Gridlife. Flew in yesterday. Our flight left at like 9 o'clock in the morning. We got here at noon. Fortunately, getting a car yesterday, like a rental car, was a nightmare. So we ended up not getting to the hotel till like 6 o'clock at night. We ended up waiting around for like 4 hours to get a rental car. But we ended up getting the luxury car, if you will. It's the Chrysler 300. They upgraded us because they felt bad. So anyways, it all worked out. The only thing that sucks is we missed the first day of Gridlife, but today is day 2, and today is the day that honestly a lot of the cool stuff's happening. Some of the better artists are performing tonight, so it should be a really good time. We're just getting ready to head over to Gridlife, and we're just gonna go check it out and have some fun, and we're gonna film it for you guys along the way. A couple of you guys in the comments said that you wanted to see stuff that happened outside of the garage, so here we are. We're gonna show you guys some stuff that we do when we're not working on cars. Unfortunately, we don't do enough of this kind of stuff with our cars being down, and we're always working on trying to get our drifting program better set up. We don't go to the drift events. I mean, that's kind of a given. If we're not drifting, we don't go, but we always want to go. We want to make sure that we're supporting our friends just as much as we would want our friends to support us when we're driving. So we're going to make it a point to potentially start going to more drift events, even though our cars aren't done yet. We want to be around. We want to see our friends drive just as much as we want to see ourselves drive. So with that being said, we're going to head out to Gridlife, and we'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so. Ooh, yeah. So we're out here. It's raining. But it's Colorado, so any minute it could just stop and the sun can come back out. But we're out here with Rome. He's killing it. All the drifters are out here putting on a show. It's a good time. Music's getting ready to start up soon. It kind of already started. But some of the bigger artists will be going on here in a couple hours. And hopefully this weather clears, but either way, we're having a good time, man. It's like LS Fest or something. All these cars have LS motors in them. I don't know.
How the hell am I gonna see out of it?
Yo, look how Rome's setting himself up, man. He's not gonna get wet today.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Gotta get the bra on.
Hey, is that fireproof or?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Yeah, we did.
So drifting's getting ready to start up again. Rome's heading out. Got fielding over here. Got the white plate guys. Bunch of sick drivers. So we're gonna head on down yonder to the stage and see if we can catch some action. Put the DSLR away because it's pouring rain, but you know the phone will handle it. So we're good to go. So we made it back to the hotel room like 1:30 last night. Gridlife was an absolute blast. Young Gravy was hilarious, of course. Suicide Boys, super lit. Those guys went off. Tons of fun. Really interesting thing that I noticed about Gridlife was that there was a lot of people there that were there for the artists, and they've never been around drifting. They've never been around these cars. And I thought that was a really cool exposure for our sport. This is what we all want, right? Is we want people to be involved and we want people to be a part of our sport and for it to grow. And I thought it was really cool that so many people were out there that have never been around it, never been a part of motorsports, and it was a ton of fun. So drop a comment if you guys like this video. If you guys want to see more of it, say so, and we'll do more of these events and we'll go to them, and just, even if we're just filming them and we're not driving it, we'll try to capture it for you guys. And yeah, we had a blast. So cool. Thanks for you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.